He is a deputy and in parliament, as you say, a part of a party that is seen to be pro-Russian. But in particular, the emotions were running high because parliament was set to vote on a vetting law, an anti-corruption, it's called lustration law, which people hope will be able to cleanse the government of corrupt politicians, of holdovers from President Viktor Yanukovych's administration and other politicians. And this crowd felt that Mr. Zhuravsky was one of the people that they need to cleanse. In fact, they put these bins outside of the parliament for this particular reason, or symbolically saying that they needed to throw politicians into the trash. In this case, they actually did that to one politician in particular. But I think what we need to keep in mind is this really shows the emotions surrounding the issue and surrounding, indeed, the entire issue of corruption in Ukraine.